Well, I'm at a standstill. I've got 4 new airbags. I was going to change out the 2 on the back, left side. I knew they were bad. I was pulling the wheels off. I need to remove this. I've got the 2 bags off. I'm going to show you something I did here in a minute. I'll explain how it happened, but 2 broken outer studs. So I can't get the wheel off. So I'm waiting to figure out what I got to do. Then come over here. I had this bag setting where it was supposed to be, and I forgot this. So I'm trying to get this in between, like that. And this bag got twisted. Now, when the new bags, you can see how short the old one is. The new one's like twice the thickness. Yes, they compress, but it's stuck in there. Yeah, I know, you can laugh, it's funny, but oh well. This can reuse these. Problem I got, this one's broke. You can't see it, but it's pot metal. I'm going to take it and go have steel ones made up. I need to pull this brake can. All these hoses are junk. They're cracked. I mean, this thing was, you can almost break it just by bending it. Look. So, I've got it jacked up. I cut the lights off. I don't know what the heck he had there on it. This was his tail lights. Looks like on a travel trailer or something. So I just took them off, threw them over there. Took this piece off here so I could get to the bolt here. I'll probably do that on the other side. But I got these off eBay, 85 bucks a piece, and they're genuine Firestone. The exact same bag, even the part number. So I'll probably stick them in the truck for now because I am pretty much at a standstill until I do have an air hammer and a chisel, and I could probably chisel them off, but I am not 100%. I'm guessing they make a socket thing with teeth that goes over it. Heck, I don't know. Anyway, I was trying to get these 2 airbags off. Took the leveling valve off. Went on that bracket. That's the arm. It'll come with a new arm. I will get that mounted. Be here Sunday. Today's Friday. We'll see where I can end up Sunday when I can finish this up. Anyway, that is about it for now. Until I can get back to working on this here, I'm at a standstill. So, the reason I cut the wiring off, if you're wondering, I'm going to redo it because this is crap. Look, it's worn through. It had wiring issues there with the lights, so I'll just yank it out and start over on it. And I want to get all the lights working. I don't know what I'm going to do. Here's that piece. I don't know what I'm going to do for taillights. I'll find something. I can just get, there's plenty of holes I can use. Both sides here, I can just run a tail tail panel across here and just put in some regular tail lights. I ain't gonna use those. All right, that's about it. I can't do much else now. So till next time, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I need them algorithms.